Okay, this homeowner is about to put their property on the market to sell it. They called us out to see if we can call out any roofing repairs that need to be done before the sale of the house, because she knows that it might come up on the home inspection report. We're gonna do rapid fire right now. So here on the edge, these shingles should not be lifting like this. What it should look like is something like this, where you have this asphalt strip, that sealant. It's called a starter strip, and you can see that sealant right there, I hope. Okay, the rest of the house does not have this starter strip sealant. Why is it important? Because wind can get underneath these shingles and cause a domino effect and blow the shingles off. So all around the perimeter, all these shingles are loose. It's an easy fix for the most part, just sealing them down. Got exposed nail heads, quick fix, sealed down. Again, the starter strip or that sealant, nowhere to be found around the entire perimeter. I'm not gonna walk it. This pipe jack right here, it's broken and brittle. Okay, you can see right there. We have a plastic pipe jack that was not properly installed. Okay, that needs to be replaced. Those guys right there, the exposed nail heads, just need to be sealed. Another pipe jack here with a broken collar. Water gets in through there. Looks like they had a satellite dish back here that was removed. I mean, this works, but it's gonna get called out on the inspection report. These shingles need to be removed and replaced. Back here, looks like they have some blistering going on where I've marked it here. Take a look at these shingles. These need to be replaced. This slope is underneath this slope, so these shingles have to be removed in order to repair this, and these right here. Over on this side, everything seems to be in just normal condition, normal wear and tear. None of those pipe jacks are broken. Do see some blistering happening here on this backside. Not sure if you can see it in the camera. You can see where it's blistering there. Some of the granules are missing. It's not hail damage. This vent should be on, and it's probably the culprit as to why the roof is blistering. I don't feel it on. It's about 85 degrees. It should be on, kicked on. If you don't have proper attic ventilation, your attic will heat up, and it lowers the lifespan of your roof, causing it to blister. This collar needs to be brought down and sealed. Okay, that was rapid fire. Hey, you're in San Antonio, you're looking to put a house on the market, you need some roof repairs, roof replacement, I'd love to see if we can help you out. Check us out. Book with us at Rox Roofing. Woo! Almost rolled my ankle there. Check us out at roxroofing.com.